States. I came here to Kmart in some Coix Christianstad, and look how cool. Because I hurt my feet yesterday, right, as you know. Again, nail, and then now like a blade, like a metal sheet. Look at that. Oh, poor baby. I just got like these new shoes or boots for working. Pretty good, made in China, but man, pretty good for 59 bucks. And it will help me to prevent damage to my feet. I should have done this long time ago, all them. But it's fair to see. There are a lot of stuff that you can buy here, and I will keep the shoes here, so it's easier for me to just have some clothes and stuff here. And Kmart worked pretty well in the Caribbean here in USVI, some Croix. They have in St. Thomas too. So Kmart, thank you. And guys, continue watching the videos to learn more about US Virgin Islands and Caribbean or Caribe. Because I'm traveling to Puerto Rico, Panama, and other places, especially when I need to order and ship construction material. Okay, subscribe. Make sure your subscription there in the channel, YouTube channel, is active and you participate. Send likes, comments, help out, share with your friends. Come on, let's do this. Thank you. Bye-bye. Kisses.